In the world of textiles, true quality starts from the core. Welcome to Vinh. Everything starts with choosing the right materials. At Vinh, we carefully select every fiber that goes into our products. By working with trusted suppliers, we make sure our poly DTY and spandex are always durable, flexible, and comfortable on the skin. Our weaving process runs with modern machines and precise control. From stretch fabrics to breathable textures, every step is optimized for consistency. We closely monitor tension and density to ensure each fabric comes out smooth and flawless. Process begins with pre-setting. In this stage, the fabric undergoes heat treatment to stabilize its surface from the very start. This process not only ensures the spandex achieves its optimal elasticity, but also minimizes edge curling, making the subsequent cutting and sewing stages much easier and more precise. Once the fabric surface has reached the necessary stability, we move into the most critical stage, high-pressure dyeing. Utilizing a modern dyeing system, Vinh strictly monitors the temperature curves and timing to ensure the dyes penetrate deeply and achieve perfect leveling. This precision guarantees consistent shades across every roll, eliminating concerns about color variation between different batches. After leaving the dyeing machine, the fabric is passed through a centrifugation system for moisture extraction and preliminary drying. This step plays a vital role in stabilizing the material, preparing it for the following advanced processing stages. Next, the fabric undergoes a thorough reduction, clearing process to completely remove excess dyes and even the smallest remaining impurities. This ensures the fabric surface is always clean and in its most stable state. Simultaneously, we perform a specialized color fixing process, locking the dye molecules deep into every fiber to guarantee optimal color fastness even after multiple washes. Once cleaned, the fabric moves to the controlled drying stage. By delicately managing the drying speed, we maintain the stability of the fabric's properties, avoiding sudden thermal impacts that could damage the fiber structure. This is the key step that creates the distinct value of our products. Here, through a precise width setting system combined with the application of finishing agents, the fabric not only achieves ideal four-way stretch but also gains superior moisture wicking and breathability. This is the secret behind our poly spandex, creating a smooth, silky hand feel and a perfect experience for the wearer. Once all standards are met, the fabric is packaged and transferred to the cutting department. Once the fabric is ready, it moves to the cutting department. First, we begin with the spreading process. Our team ensures that every layer is laid out perfectly flat and tension-free. This step is vital, especially for four-way stretch materials, to prevent any distortion before the first cut is even made. Next, we use advanced CAD/CAM systems to create the most efficient cutting markers. By optimizing the layout, we maximize fabric usage and minimize waste. Our precision cutting machines then follow these digital patterns, ensuring every component, from sleeves to collars, is cut to exact specifications. These pieces are then carefully sorted and bundled, with every size and quantity double-checked. Accuracy at the cutting table is the foundation for a flawless garment, ensuring a smooth transition as we head into the sewing lines. Once the cutting process is complete, the semi-finished components are immediately transferred to the sewing floor. Here, each production line is scientifically organized to achieve maximum efficiency, ensuring a seamless workflow from the very first stitch to the final completion. The heart of this stage lies in absolute technical precision. To handle specialized technical fabrics, Vinh utilizes specialized machinery for each specific task. Most notable are our modern production lines featuring Kansai machines and 4-needle 6-thread Flatlock machines. These advanced devices handle complex seams with ease, creating joints that are not only durable, but also possess ideal elasticity to follow every movement of the body. However, no matter how modern the machinery is, it still requires skillful hands. Under the guidance of our experienced artisans, every movement is a rhythmic combination of speed and accuracy. Every stitch is meticulously cared for to ensure maximum smoothness against the skin, providing the ultimate comfort for the wearer. Throughout this process, line leaders closely monitor every minor step to maintain consistent quality across all products. This meticulous coordination is the key that allows us to confidently fulfill large-scale orders with premium standards. At Yang Vinh, we don't just simply sew pieces of fabric together. We are together creating products that brands can truly be proud of. Exceeding ordinary standards, quality at Yang Vinh is a silent promise we commit to our customers. Before leaving the sewing line, every garment is transferred to the QC1 station for a rigorous inspection. Under high-intensity lighting, the QC team at Yang Vinh meticulously scrutinizes every seam, stitch, and product specification. Every detail is carefully examined to ensure that each item reaching the customer achieves the highest level of finish and quality. Following QC1, products are moved to the specialized steam ironing system. This is not merely a step to flatten the fabric surface, but a critical process to perfect the garment's silhouette and hand feel. Steam and temperature are precisely controlled to help the spandex fibers maintain their natural softness and elasticity, creating our signature smooth fabric finish. Each product achieves a polished appearance and a premium feel before the final check. And once the steaming is complete, the products proceed to the QC2 station. The QC team conducts a comprehensive final inspection, covering everything from the overall shape and fabric surface to labeling and final finishing. This dual-layer inspection process ensures that every item leaving the factory meets stable and consistent quality standards. The final stage is the finishing touch before the product reaches the customer. Each garment is manually folded with care and arranged according to standards to keep the product flat and pristine during transit. From verifying labels and arranging products to secure boxing, every step is performed meticulously. We ensure that every order leaving the factory is polished, professional, and ready for shipment.